Okay, so I'm just here going through a bunch of products again, and I sometimes I just get other things besides makeup and skincare and tools. Sometimes I get food because I'm a foodie. And I have been a fan of CFDA ever since their chips came out, but they have so many more things in their line of food, and I love them so much. So I just wanted to tell you, they just came out with these botana sauces, and let me tell you all the flavors. We have creamy jalapeno, creamy habanero, sweet and tangy chamoy. I'm going to be eating all that one, and traditional botana sauce. So if you love anything that's good, try it out. They're the best. Try their chips. Try everything. It's like one of my favorite companies. Mwah! Keep making delicious stuff. Got a little package from Chanel. They came out with this gorgeous illuminating blush. So pretty. It's like almost like a rose gold, maybe like an icy gold. I mean, icy pink. It's beautiful. You know, I love an illuminating shade. This is the Les for Ombres, which is their multi-effects eyeshadow. As you can see, we have 4 different colors. Also, their packaging I really appreciate because it's like fun and feels springy, and I always love a little pop of color. Then this I thought was interesting too. This is their Draga. It's one of their essential usage stick, the multi-use glow sticks. So this is a really pretty color. I think that's gorgy. It's like let's just do a little bit. Very hydrating and minimal, which I love. So I just got this Charlotte Tilbury 3 Beauty Secrets for Your Day from her Skin Perfecting foundation. I mean, all her foundations are great, and they all have different finishes and coverages, and so I really do like all of them. This is the Beautiful Skin foundation, which is more to me like CC cream. I love it, and now she is really like pushing that you can find your shade match in 60 seconds, so it doesn't have to be overwhelming and crazy. So you can scan or just go on their app, their website. There's so many places you can go. So love, love, love. And then also this is her, let me open this. This is a cream. I can't get anything open with my nails. Oh, this is good. Look how beautiful that is. Whipped. This is the Sun-Kissed Glow Bronzer, smoothing, healthy-looking glow cream bronzer for face and body, infused with hyaluronic acid and vitamin D. This is new. I don't have this. And then, of course, the Complexion brush, which is great for putting on any sort of foundation or bronzer. And then, of course, underneath for your concealer. This comes with concealer, too. This is exciting. I'm going to be trying it out, but I love it. And I love the fact that you can find your shade match in 60 seconds. I also recommend her other foundations because I think they're great. Wow. Charlotte, killing it always. Okay, so I've talked about KULFI before. I actually was a big fan when they first came out of their Kajal liners. They're fantastic. They're great. But now they also have these. Ooh. So they're these gorgeous eyeshadows. Let's try it out. You can use your fingers, but if you have long nails like me, you might want to take a brush. I'm just going to dab it in there and get on there. Ooh, it's so pretty. You could definitely keep going and layering it and making it, you know, more and more thicker in color. But it's soft and beautiful, easy to put on. So those of you who want to know, that is the Bronze Brocade Zari Eyes eyeshadow. I'm going to throw on top of that the Satara Sparkles. Satara Sparkles, more of like a red undertone, ruddy undertone. I love it. Let's go on top. They all blend really nicely together. This is so pretty. I love it. Very sparkly and fun and icy and gorgeous. These are the other colors they come in. These like fun jewel tones. So you can really go after it. So pretty. I love them. Okay, this brand, Noble Panacea. Look at this. This is gorgeous. This is the vitamin C booster. 9 sources of vitamin C, including 20% pure L-ascorbic acid, and the highest sources found in the mix with your serum, applied to clean skin, face and neck, allow to penetrate. I'm gonna try it. Let's try it. Okay, so it says, I mean, this packaging is beautiful. Ooh, juicy. Ooh, juicy, juicy. So it said you can mix it with your serum, which I'll do. Mix it up. Feels really good. Doesn't smell weird. Instant brightening effect. They also make this sleep mask. Check it out. Whoa, this is also really beautiful. You open it, and then you just pull out your night. So you put, this would be the last step in your skincare at night. You put it on and then sleep in it, and it's got all these, you know, like hyaluronic acid, probiotics, exfoliating PHA, retinol, peptide. I'm going to try it tonight. Also, this is refillable. All the paper used in their products are, you know, ethically sourced, foresting, etc. And everything is good for you. This is such a pretty line. I can also tell that they have a lot of money because I make stuff and I know this ain't cheap, honey. So I will try this and let you guys know. But wow, I love this line. It's so beautiful. Okay, this I have to get up. I have to get up and show you this. This just came. Brown Blended by Lily Lashes. Let's go. Ooh, there's coffee in here. And what are these lashes? Oh my God, you guys, finally. Brown Blended. So they are not just black lashes, because sometimes you just want to be a little bit more natural. I'm a hot mess express. Look at this. I just have to show you how beautiful these are. If you can see that. See how they're like brown blended? Genius. Okay, so we have, this is the undone style. This is the undress style. This is the naked. Oh, I see where we're going here. And then the one I butchered is called In the Buff. Nudie Nudie. Also, they collaborated with Sparrow's Coffee. This smells amazing. So I'm excited. Look how cute the bag is. And then this, the Ion mug. It's that mug that keeps it warm, which I just manifested that because I've been saying I want one of those. And then, of course, she gave us her clear adhesive, which is such a good adhesive for fake lashes. Faux lashes. Lily, I love you. I love you, Lily. Hey, follow me for more tips, tricks, products, dish, tea. And if you want to get some of these products, just hit the link below.